Hi everyone, this is Brad. Great new feature. Microsoft is now allowing you to log in with your student or teacher Google Education account and use their free educational services. So, for example, you could go in and you could have access to Word, PowerPoint, Sway, Excel, so on and so forth. Here's what you need to do. Type in office.com and then sign in with your Google Edu account. Just go through, make sure you select that it's work, right? Sign in. And of course, you could always select yes to stay signed in. And then you have access to all of these right here. And if you select all apps, you can scroll down and see all the Office 365 apps you and your students have available. So you want to use Word, go ahead. You can select right here, start a new document, and go ahead and have access to Microsoft Word using your Google account. So there you go. If you do have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.